Foldable solar panel kits, particularly those rated at 60 watts, offer a blend of portability and sufficient power output to cater to small electronic devices in various outdoor settings. Typically, these solar panels are designed to be compact, with the capability of being adjusted for optimal sun exposure to maximize solar power harvesting. They are well suited to charge devices such as smartphones, tablets, and portable power banks. They includes at least one standard USB-A port for charging common electronic devices. Some kits feature a quick charge 3.0 USB port for rapid charging functionalities. Their foldable nature means they can be condensed into a manageable size, making them a practical option for transport in a variety of vehicles. For those on the move, certain 60-watt solar panel kits can attach to backpacks, allowing travelers to charge devices while hiking or trekking. Foldable solar panels generally employ a series of monocrystalline or polycrystalline cells that are known for their efficiency and durability. These cells are encased in a foldable casing, providing both portability and easy storage. Most panels are built to withstand a wide range of temperatures, ensuring consistent performance under diverse environmental conditions.